Got it done. Just finished. Now I just need to wait for the rain. Let the rain come and settle the sand in the crevices, and then I'm done with the floor. Let it set for a few days and then get the roof on. Put the front and the door and the roof. Then we'll be ready to paint it before I put my polycarbonate on. We'll be ready to paint. I'm going to cover these windows while the floor is setting and build the front part while the floor is setting, and then cover the windows so that once we get the roof on and order the polycarbonate, we can spray everything white. And that'll be the greenhouse. I may have to change that window right there because the one with the fog on it, because I don't think that's going to come off. And I surely don't want it to look like that, but I'm going to try to clean it first. Okay, I keep thinking I'm recording and I'm not recording, but I'm trying to put this window in. I thought I was recording this whole time that I put that front on, but I wasn't, so I'm recording now. I'm getting ready to frame this window up in here. It's getting dark out here, so I'm not going to be able to show you much on this one. that window in. Got this whole wall done in the front. Got the whole wall put in the front. Got the floor put in yesterday, or day before yesterday, before the rain. I got this window in. I'll be putting in the other window tomorrow and doing the front door, putting the front door in. Then I'll be ready for the roof. Okay, again, I didn't record. Sorry, but this is what I got done today. Got the door put in. It's hard to do all this stuff by yourself, and then I had a little help. My brother came and helped me today. Well, there was a lot of help, not a little, a lot. He helped out a whole lot because I couldn't have hung that door without his help. And it opens and closes really good. I wish I had shown you before I tied it together. I've got to buy a piece of rubber to go in there. But it's coming along. Put these windows in tomorrow and start working on the roof. Okay, I stopped working on the greenhouse so I could video this part. I'm getting ready to put the wood up there for the rafters, and I don't have any help doing this, so I said let me video it. Let me video it so that when somebody asks me, did you do that yourself? And I say, yes, I did this myself. Then it's on video. Just made these to hold the middle piece of wood up there. Just put these together. So now I'm gonna install them up there.